Okay, guys, good morning and welcome to day 2. I have all the pets. They've made their own little classroom, just hanging out on the blinds. Hello, everyone. We miss you. So, like I said, this is day 2 of home learning. I want to just touch base with you each day to make sure we know what's going on, where we're supposed to be, what you would be turning in, and all that good stuff. So the first thing I want to go over is exactly what we went over yesterday, and that's going to be our rituals and routine. So the first thing you're going to do every morning at 8 o'clock is sign into Teams. Under Teams, you're going to find the B&P page, and you're going to go to the general section, where you guys have been doing a very good job posting things, and you're going to say, "Good morning, Miss Parker, Miss Brown." Okay? And this way we know that you are ready and you are participating in school for that day, and we can take attendance.
That was easy.
The second thing you're going to do, so this is always step 1, and this is going to be for math. Reading is different. Hey, Thomas. So for math, you're going to go, and hopefully you guys saw it. Hey, Colton. Saw it today. Just say hi real quick. Hi.
That was easy.
You're going to go onto our Math Mania page, and you're going to find the link that I have to go to watch the video you're watching right now. So if you're watching me right now, high five. You've done everything correctly. So step 1, step 2.
That was easy.
Okay, so you're good to go. Today we are actually going to do a skill. It's going to be on bar graphs. It's pretty and easy, and it is an easy skill. I've already gone over this with you. We're just going to try to start off with the simpler stuff, and then we'll work our way into the more difficult standards. Pause. Colton! Okay, resume. So what we're going to do right now is go over graphs, bar graphs. Remember, we can do a bar graph either vertically, which is up and down, or horizontally, which is going to be from side to side. Okay. Remember, bar graphs have to have titles, they have to have a scale, and you have to draw your actual bars. Okay. We're going to make up one just today, just an easy one on favorite foods. We're going to do pizza, hot dogs, hamburgers, and for Miss Parker, we're going to do the spicy nachos. Okay, so let's say I'm just going to make up the data set. I'm going to make up all the numbers. The pizza, let's say 8 hot dogs, 3 hamburgers, 9 spicy nachos. Let's do 7, okay? So this becomes our data set. This is where all the information is coming from so that we can then place it on our graph. So the next thing we're gonna do is draw our axes, okay? Remember, if the bar graph was going vertically, our bars would go this way. But since we're gonna do it, excuse me, I messed that up. If it was going horizontally, my bars would go this way. But we're gonna do a vertical one, so they're gonna go up and down. Because they're gonna go up and down, my categories, meaning my pizza, hot dog, hamburger, spicy nachos, are gonna have to go down here. And then my scale will go on this side. So let's go ahead and put all of our categories. So I'm gonna do P for pizza, H for hot dogs. You know what? This is an H and H. So to distinguish between the two, for hot dogs, I'm gonna put HD for hot dog. And then just an H for hamburger, and spicy nachos, I'm gonna do an SN, okay? Now, can I put the vertical bars in yet? No, because I have to do the scale. Now, remember when we're doing the scale, we have to look at our numbers. So we have 8, 3, 9, and 7. So would it make sense that I would do a scale with intervals of 10? No, that wouldn't make any sense. None of my numbers in my data set go over 10. Could I do 3? 3, 6, 9. Oh, there's multiples here. But then I wouldn't be able to show 7 and 8. So hopefully you're thinking what I'm thinking. Ding, ding, ding. Let's use 2. So over here, I'm going to do the scale starting at 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And remember, halfway between these are also numbers. So halfway between 0 and 2 is 1, 2 and 4, 3, 4 and 6, 5, and so forth, okay? Now, then since I have my scale and I have my categories here, now I can do the actual vertical bar graph. So pizza, 8's right here, so I'm gonna draw a line and then I'm gonna draw down. Hot dogs, 3, I'm gonna go in between 2 and 4. Hamburgers, 9, in between 8 and 10. And you guys see how my bar graphs, they're not touching each other. I have spaces between them. And then the last one, Miss Parker's spicy nachos, right there at 7. And hopefully you're remembering what I'm thinking, the trick. So let's do this as 8, 3. Hamburger is 9 and spicy nacho is 7. One thing I forgot, you have to title everything. So the title of the graph, let's just make it easy. Favorite foods. Now remember, we have to title the categories and the scale. So this is the types, and hopefully you can see this, types of food. And then on this side, this is the, we're gonna say the number of votes, because this 3 represents 3 people voted for hot dogs. Why, hello, Leo. And boom, you're done with your graph. Now, what I would like you to do is I've given you in your lesson plans a data set. This is gonna be on favorite activities. They had them like swimming, and I gave a number, I don't know exactly what, but you're gonna use that data set to do a bar graph with. Once again, you're gonna take the data set that's in the lesson plans. Woo, Leo! Seriously? Come here. Yes. See, Kelton, I told you he climbs on everything. You're going to use the data set that I gave you to make your own bar graph. I would like you to make a vertical one and a horizontal one, and that's your student work for today. After that, I want you to do an iReady lesson. Has to be 70% or passing or higher to pass. And then if you want to go on some Prodigy, if you have time, you can. Tomorrow, I'm going to have more work for you. Hopefully you're getting used to being in teams. Hopefully you're liking talking to people on Teams and in the Google Classroom. I think you guys are doing a great job so far, and I will see you back here tomorrow.
That was easy.
Bye, guys.